What Children's TherAplay does, which is unique and makes us special, is we specialize in hippotherapy, which is physical and occupational therapy using equine movement. We serve about 313 kids a year. I know that number just because we did the reporting for 2020, and we have 15 horses. We had our clinic, which had 2 treatment areas in it, and a big gym, and then it had a tiny room where the OT therapist could do a lot of their fine motor work with the kids and kind of some of that one-on-one. But we only had one of those spaces. We had the arena, which is where the magic happens. The children get on the horse and they have their that portion of their therapy. And then we had the barn where we house our 15 horses. We had pretty explosive growth from about 2015 to now. So I would say probably 3 or 4 years ago, we really outgrew our previous facility. The new facility now has office space, which we really needed to expand. We've found we've needed quite a few personnel additions to help us maintain our explosive growth and manage the admin side of what we do. But then we added a clinic facility that had an expansive waiting room area, which we had very, very inadequate waiting room space for families. We added a lot of restroom facilities. Our previous clinic had no running water, so we gave them 2 really amazing bathrooms in the waiting room, but gave the parents space to be comfortable, and that's important. They spend a lot of time in medical facilities. They spend a lot of time waiting here, so we really had parents in mind when we designed the waiting room. And then we have 7 treatment areas within the new clinic, which is far more than 2. FBI Builders has helped us along the way. In the phase 1 of our project, they rebuilt our barn for us, the horse stable. So it was nice to get back together with them. We have a great relationship, and they took great care of us through the process. I think the strong relationship that we had built with them in phase 1 of the project during the construction of the barn, certainly the quality of work we knew was going to be tough to beat. And I think just a lot of care that they put into our facility and working with us to make sure that during the construction project, when we stayed open, that they were really helping us stay functional through the building process. So that meant constructing some temporary spaces. That meant augmenting the design plan a little bit. We were supposed to put a door in at one time. We said we can't do that during, while this is going on. So it just took some flexibility, and we were always so grateful that they were so accommodating. It's hard to even believe that we've gone from a tiny 2-room clinic with a small waiting room and no running water to the building that we have now. And our ability to serve children and families has just elevated to a level we just never thought possible. And all the little designs in the building, everything that went into making Children's TherAplay the place it is today was all done with a lot of love. And I felt that from every person that I worked with during the process, that they cared, they knew this is a special place, and it took a special amount of care to make this happen.